Hey, what's up guys? So today I'll be finally giving my full thoughts and review about the John Chris YEDP Intense Inspired. Again, disclaimer lang po, I may be already smell the OGY Intense, but I honestly forgot how the way it smells. So I'll be reviewing this solely based on this fragrance alone. Okay, let's talk about the scent of this. This is just basically YEDP but intense. Bakit intense? Kasi kinuha lang naman yung green apple dito, kaya napa-intense ito. So this one is fresh, spicy, aromatic, woody. I-learn talaga sila ni Y Intense minus that green apple. Ganon yung amoy nito. Niya very aromatic, but on the dry down I noticed that somehow magkasing amoy sila ni Ocean Rush. The only difference is that much more sweeter si Ocean Rush compare with the John Chris Y Intense. And I searched this kasi na-curious ako about the notes of both. So I noticed that on the base note nila, both has a similar na merong patchouli, and I think that's the patchouli note. I don't know, honestly wala akong idea about specific notes. Alam ko lang yung mga vanilla, rose, whatevers, pero yung mga patchouli na yan, so I'm so sorry guys, I'm not really familiar with the scent, but I think medyo similar yung Ocean Rush and Y Intense sa dry down, maybe because of the patchouli. I don't know. That's just my, kumbaga, science investigation lang. So, if I'm wrong, just correct me po. I'm just human and hindi ako perfecto talaga in terms of perfumes. So, talagang amoy lang yung nire-review ko dito. Not, one by one na talagang notes. Amoy ganito siya, amoy ganyan. I'm so sorry. I'm not that kind of person. Anyway, napahaba yung mga sinabi ko doon. Anyway, let's talk about the longevity of this. I got surprise! Longevity nito lasted 6 to 8 hours on my skin if hindi intensive yung mga activities ko. Pero if intensive, it lasted for like 5 to 6 hours. Pretty good na yon. And then, projection nito, it projects for the first 1.5 hours, and projection nito is just above average, but still talagang amoy ka ng mga tao and talagang mapapalingon yung mga tao nito sa'yo. Honestly guys, I'm not glazing this, pero tignan nyo naman yan. Ginawa kong daily driver to. Swap sila ni Club de Nuevo Intense man. I think this one is my new signature scent together with CDIM ng John Chris. I don't know what's with John Chris, pero talagang yung mga freshie nila is just boom, the best. And before I forgot, Siyaj, of course may Siyaj siya kasi nga nagpro-project din naman, and talagang kada labay ko or taga pass through ko with people, talagang amoy and noticeable yung kanyang scent. So if you like the DNA of YEDP but minus that green apple scent, go buy this John Chris fragrances Y Intense. I would say this one is pretty. Sobrang pretty, decent ng kanyang performance, kanyang amoy, and for its price, damn guys. Can't go wrong with this. See that dent? 3 araw ko palang ginagamit to, pero bro, daming daming buhay na.